3. Born to death in Bayelsa auto crash. I repeat, 3. Born to death in Bayelsa auto crash. 3 persons were born to death in a fatal road accident along the East-West Road in Bayelsa State on Monday night, June the 20th of the year 2022. It was gathered that the accident, which occurred at Opokuma Junction, involved a Toyota Camry with registration number LS529KY and a Mazda car with registration number GBB532XA. Sources said 2 persons involved in the accident, including a police constable, survived with various degrees of minor injuries. Eyewitness accounts attributed the accident to overspeeding and loss of control, which resulted in an head-on collision. The Toyota Camry was said to have loaded with petroleum products and triggered a heavy explosion and fire which burnt the victims. 2 males and female were those confirmed dead, while 2 males survived and were taken to the hospital for treatment. A senior officer of the Federal Road Safety Corps (FRSC) in Bayelsa, who confirmed the accident, said the injured victims were rescued to a hospital at Yenegua for treatment. He also disclosed that the accident, which caused traffic gridlock on the East-West Road, was cleared by officers of the FRSC led by the SO of Opokuma. The 2 cars were burnt, and the victims in the Mazda car were burnt beyond recognition, as the Camry was loaded with adulterated petroleum premium motor spirit (PMS), which sparked the fire. The SO Kroger, which with the assistance of the motorists cleared the obstruction on the road for free-flow traffic, he stated. This is the end of our news. Thank you and have a good day. Bye. Hello guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and also put on the notification bell for more updates just like this. My name is K Banti, your regular host. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye.